Hello. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day. We're in the grip of a heat wave today, so I am a little bit hot and bothered, but it's good. I love the sun. I'm a summer man. It's 28 today, 28 degrees. And tomorrow, oh, the weather lady is literally on right now. Tomorrow, it's due to be 32 degrees. That's like Dubai or something. Me and Joe took a little picnic today as well. I wasn't going to vlog today, by the way, but I have to vlog today now because there's been an update on the lockdown rules, what is allowed, what isn't allowed. It's coming in right now. I had a few missed calls on my phone because me and Joe were in the Forest of Dean, so we weren't really looking at the phones or looking at the news or anything. They're lifting the rule on us being allowed into each other's homes, which is... We're allowed to go and see people. That means when we go to people's houses around here in Gloucester and it rains, we don't have to leave. We can just go indoors. And it means we can go and see our families as well, because the government have said, I think, that we're allowed to stay over as well. And restaurants, cinemas, theatres. I don't know about theatres. Oh, art galleries, that was it. I don't go to many art galleries. Maybe I'll start. So anyway, life from the 4th of July is going to be going back roughly to normal. I like this bit, the little montage of all the behind the scenes. I wonder if this is an actual song that you can download.
Our long national hibernation is coming to an end. Yes. The words of the Prime Minister as he relaxes restrictions
That'll be me there.
in England. Pubs, restaurants and cafes...
Maybe not that haircut. When this happens, lockdown ends, of all the questions that the British press decide to shout at Boris Johnson as he's getting into his car, one press reporter decided to ask this question. This is priorities.
Is it safe to go to the pub?
3 months since...
Like she's desperate to get to Weatherspoons.
Is it safe to go to the pub?
2 households of any size should be able to meet in any setting inside or out.
So there you have it. Lockdown coming to an end. 4th of July. It's been a long 3 months. I'm going to turn you down, mate, so that my viewers can hear me and not you. We'll be allowed to go get our hairs cut, and I have many hairs and they need to be cut. We'll be allowed to go to the pub.
Is it safe to go to the pub?
Oh my days, I can't even remember what it's like to be in a pub and going out for dinner. We'll be allowed to go out to restaurants. I'm buzzing. It's so nice to know that we have that freedom back. You know, it makes you realise, doesn't it, how good we had it before lockdown, really, because this was normal life and we're being given it back, and it feels like we're being given something extra, but actually we're not being given something extra. We're just being given what was already there and what was already ours. We've been tuning in a lot and hoping that today would be the day that we get a nice, you know, you can go and see your family or whatever, and it's not been there. But today really was there. Now we can go and see people. And to top it all off, just before the news came on, had a call from a friend, asked if we wanted to go around for a barbecue tonight. Yes, we do. We'll be there. Joe asked me to do, what do you call it? A butterscotch. Do you remember when you were at school and they used to do the butterscotch tarts? I'm gonna make one of those because I've got all the ingredients here. And bizarrely, by the way, my most popular video to date is the video that I did where I made a school dinner cake. I have no idea why that's the most popular one. You probably know more than I do because you've all been watching it. I went to New York, did vlogs in New York, and in Venice, in London. You didn't watch those. You like the one of me making a cake. Your wish is my command. In a minute, I'm going to the kitchen. I'm gonna make a butterscotch tart. So doing that for you viewers. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't head straight to the kitchen like I said I would. But I'm here now. I'm here the next day. I'm ready to make the tart. It's long overdue. Joe's been asking me to do this one for a long time. I think even we remember this from our school days, or at least Joe does. I never had this at my school. We had the school dinner cake, which I've done already. I've done that video. I'll link it down below if you wanna have a look at that one. I don't even really know what butterscotch actually even is. Like, what is butterscotch? I guess we know what butter is, but what is scotch? Is it a Scottish meal? I don't know. It should be fairly simple, but you will need a little bit of time. So set a bit of time for this one. Don't do it lastminute.com. And you may have noticed with the cooking videos, what I quite often do now, I don't really talk you through it as much. I don't really need to. Like, if you can see what's going on and you can see what I'm doing with my hands, I let my hands do the talking now with the cooking videos. And that also means that when I'm filming these talky bits, I can either do this after I've cooked it, or I can do it all before and then cook and just kind of use my hands. It does mean that I can't cut in shots of me talking. I guess I could pretend. I could just go, oh yeah, you mix it together like that. You just add it in like that. I don't know, I don't think that was very convincing. I'm no actor, but I am a chef. and breathe. That's what you do. I told you there was a lot of steps. The end result is that you end up with something that looks roughly like that. I tasted a bit of the mixture to make sure it tasted butterscotchy, even though we don't really know what that is. And it does taste right. Put it aside for an hour or so just to set. I'm gonna put mine in the fridge though. We're not gonna try this until after dinner because we've both got quite a busy day today. So we're gonna try this later, or you can leave it to cool at room temperature for 1 hour if you wanna try it quickly. We were gonna wait until after dinner to try this, but I need a snack now to see me through till dinner. So got my cake tin here. Look how good it looks, by the way. You can see how shiny the top of it is. Looks like a mirror. See my face in it. Hello. The butterscotch topping has gone nice and hard on the top. It's set really well. I'm only gonna have a small piece. Oh yes, look at that. Right, let's give it a taste. This is, as I always say, it doesn't matter how good it looks, it's how it tastes. I'm gonna eat it with a fork. I'm not a savage. A try, shall we? Oh my days. That is really good. If I ordered a butterscotch tart in a restaurant, not that I ever would, I would want it to taste like this. It literally tastes exactly as you'd expect. It was a lot of effort, as you've seen from the video. There was a lot of bits. You know, this wasn't like a melt in the middle microwave pudding. This took a bit of time. I'm so glad it paid off because it just tastes incredible. Make this one at home. It's so worth it. It's worth the time. It's worth the effort. It's a little bit different. And if you had it in school, it's a bit of nostalgia as well. I've amazed even myself with this one. I'm not a chef, even though earlier in the video I did claim to be one, but I am a chef, just somebody who likes food. This is one of the best things I've made on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Make this butterscotch tart if it's the last thing you do, because it's divine. And I will see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.